Tuya provides not only smart products solutions, but also over 50 value-added service for your product differentiations, from cloud to modules to apps.
Basically, we have 8 types of full-link services make your product unique. One is the app service. Second is Smart Speak, and Smart Speak have third-party access and OEM skills. And we also have certification service, smart operation service, functional expansion, IP camera services, and marketing services. And also we have, Also we have customization. When we're talking about the app services, we have 7 apps related solutions. First is OEM app and app launch, OEM app upgrade, app watch access, and app mall and widget access, and serial access. I will introduce you the 7 app service one by one. First is OEM app process, or who have influence persona for app launch. User know and use your OEM app only after it has been launched on app platform. After you have created the app, your OEM app on our IoT platform, you cannot let your consumer download the apps. You have to launch your apps to app platform like iOS app stores or Google Play stores. So after you purchase the app launch services, you only need to provide product samples and the basic information table for app launch. Tuya Personal take on other complete tasks. The next is OEM app upgrade. During the time pass, when the mobile OS will be updated month by month, and our OEM app also will have new functions day by day. So the OEM app software upgrade maintenance service allows you to synchronize updated Tuya Smart or your Smart Life app functions to your OEM app. You only need to build an app version on the Tuya Smart platform and test it. Download the update packages on the platform and release the app updates. You may ask, how can I know your latest functions? Okay, it's very easy. You can download our latest Tuya Smart or Smart Life from Apple Store or Google Play Store. Then you can check our Smart Life or Tuya Smart. If you like the new functions, or if it is very useful for your products, then you can do the Apple update, and then after update, then launch to the app stores, and then your consumer can get the latest functions. I can show you here how to update your apps. Yeah, just here. I create here a version 1 with our internal version is 3.16.5. When you find a latest version and you want to have the latest version, just here, create versions and continue to create, then you will have the latest functions as you see, just like as our Tuya Smart or Smart Lives. Next app service is a CD access. The CD access is for the customers who wanted to improve their product, control experience, and add unique selling points. The CD access service has been developed based on iOS functions so that user can use CD to execute automatic scenarios preset in the apps. This service enables your product to meet billions of iOS users' requirements for voice-based operation and control. So you cannot open your app. You cannot have to launch your app. You just talk to the CD, and then you can control our devices. I can show you a sample here. So here, this is my device on Tuya Smart. I make a socket. First, I will turn off the socket. Then I will make a turn on button here. And after that, I will use a serial to control the socket to turn on. First, I turn off the socket. Then I use serial.
Yes.
I just launch serial and say turn on.
Okay, done.
Yes. Then go back to the app. You can see the socket is turned on. So it is very useful when you develop apps for your for iOS system, and your consumer will be very happy to use such function because it is very easy to turn on your devices or turn off your devices. Next service is widget access. A widget is an app extension that displays shortcuts for devices or scenarios of your app in the phone notification center or on the home screen of Android smartphones. After enabling widget access for your app, users can quickly switch on or off devices that are connected to your app on the home screen or the start or stop scenarios present in the app. Here's a map. You can see here. Here's a device. You can click on, click off. Okay. Next app service is Apple Watch access. The Apple Watch access service has been developed based on iOS functions.
Full screen.
Based on iOS functions, your app functions are available on your Apple Watch. You can access your device information and control your smart devices anytime and anywhere. Tap the app icon on your Apple Watch, choose the devices or scenarios to be operated, and switch device status with one tap. You no longer need your iPhone to control smart devices, as your Apple Watch can do it in a smart way. I can show you a video here. Show you a video with widget access and Apple Watch access. Okay, you can see the widget here. Okay, I will use the widget to turn on the light. Okay, turn on, turn off, then turn the socket. Okay. Yes, turn on the socket. you see, it's very easy to control. And after that, I will use the Apple Watch to control the switch, the light. You can see here the smart barber. Okay. Okay, then we show it. Turn on. Yeah, the barber is turned on. Okay. Socket is on. Yes. Okay. Let's continue our presentation. So next is Apple Ma. It's a multi-language sport covering mainstream regional market, independent operation between sites. The Apple Ma service integrates powerful more functions into your app and allows you to customize multi-functions such as the added banners and product categories on the More homepage, helping you to monetize mobile traffic in your in-app More. This is basically a new function, new services. If you have such need, you can contact your business manager or your product manager for further informations. Next is very important is the third-party access. That means how to use a smart speaker to control your devices. Nowadays, all customers all over the world, I think all the customers all over the world need such functions. A smart speaker will be a core terminal in a smart home as in time for interaction and the control center. Tuya allows users to access global mainstream smart speaker for easy and intelligent control of your smart products. We basically we support all the mainstream smart speaker of the world, like Google, Alexa, Yandex, Xiaowei, Ding Dong, Tmall Genie, and Xiaodu. So you may ask, so how can I get such skills? Okay, I will show you next. So next service is OEM skill, how to build a unique brand skill in smart speakers. Customers who want to highlight their brand features and expand their brand influence, Tuya provides the following OEM skill services, like OEM Amazon Alexa skills, Google Assistant Action, Ali Genie skill, DualOS skill, Tencent Xiaowei skill, Tencent Ding Dong skills. User can speak your brand skill to control products on smart speaks, improving your brand influence. So if your app has the OEM skills, so you may have many products like IPC cameras, like light, like socket. So every product have to have the certification. The first certification, very important, is WWA. So what is WWA? WWA means works with Alexa. Work with Alexa is Amazon's official certification program for products that support Alexa voice control. Work with Alexa raised the bar on voice control function in terms of reliability, responsive, and consumer experience. And what is Tuya Fast Work with Alexa certification? Tuya Fast Work with Alexa certification is implemented through the cooperation between Tuya and Amazon. It helps Tuya customers complete Work with Alexa certification in a short period, at least 3 weeks, with a low fee and high successful rate. Of course, if you have the Work with Alexa certification benefits, you have many benefits. The first is you will have the latest Work with Alexa logo is displayed on the product sales page in your Amazon store, and you can print the latest Work with Alexa logo on the out packages of your products. And Amazon provides traffic division and other support for certificate products. And of course, if you do not have Work with Alexa certification, so you are not allowed to use this logo. And the next very important certification is WWGA. So WWGA means Work with Google Assistant. This is Google's official certification program for products that support Google Home voice control. Work with Google Assistant raise the bar on voice control function in terms of responsive, reliability, and consumer experience. Products that pass Work with Google Assistant certification can have the logo. And what is Tuya Fast Work with Google Assistant certification? Tuya Fast Work with Google Assistant certification is implemented through the cooperation between Tuya and Google. It helps Tuya customers complete Work with Google Assistant certification in a short period, at least 3 weeks, with a low fee and high successful rate. So when you have the certification, you will have the benefit. Like you can have the logo, the latest logo here, when here show the logos. You can put the sales of your product. You can just write powered by Google. It's very useful for you to sell products on Google Assistant. So if you do not have the Work with Google Assistant, of course, you are not allowed to use these logos. So after you choose a speak, you have your OEM skills, and you have your product brand specific issue, then you can control your devices through the speaker. I can show you how to use a speaker to control the devices, which is linked in our Tuya apps.
How to use Google Home to command Tuya Smart device. Open up Google Home app. Click the button which is on the top right corner. Find the device that you need to add, such as Google Home 0002, then click Setup. Start connecting to Google Home. Then you hear the prompt voice of connection between Google Home and your mobile phone. Click Yes to enter into next step. Help improve Google Home. Choose a location, for example, bedroom. Choose your Wi-Fi network. Connecting to Wi-Fi. Your Google Home is connected successfully now. Select a language. Set up your Google Assistant, then click Next. Get personal results. Choose No Thanks or I agree. Enter your address. Add music services. Enhance your cast devices, then click Next. Google Home connection almost done. Click Continue. This page can experience with interaction with Google Home. For example, Hey Google, play some music. Next, I will show how to link Tuya Smart account to Google Home. First, tap the menu button in the upper left corner. Choose Home Control. Tap the plus button in the lower right corner to search for Tuya Smart Action. Log in your Tuya account. Click Link Now and press Authorize. You can find the devices here which are already connected to Tuya Smart. The following shows how to set a nickname for your device. Click on the device for which you want to set a nickname. For example, set a nickname as Light. The following shows how to use Google Home voice control to command Tuya Smart Light.
Hey Google, turn on the room light.
You got it, turning the light on.
Hey Google, turn the room light to red.
Sure, changing the light to red.
Hey Google, turn off the room light.
You got it, turning the light off.
Okay, so the showing is finished. So you can find it is very easy to use Tuya Smart. When you have the OEM skills, you can it's very easy to connect your device with the smart speakers. It takes only like 5 minutes. You can control your devices through the smart speakers. So next service I will introduce you is the device log storage. You can, after you enable the services, you can logs of online activity devices are stored to the Tuya Smart Platform's data center. You can create the logs in the real time and customize the data reporting type and storage period. And next is the device operating status analysis. You can mask your device's user duration and power satisfactions. Customers who want to fine-tune management devices and analyze device data and control device alarm informations. I can show you where can you find the two services on our Tuya Smart platform. You can here you can find the when you log in our IoT point tuya.com, you go to date and operation, you can find here all the app informations when your user informations or your device informations. Okay, let's continue. Next service is about the door lock SMS notification. After you enable the door lock SMS notification services, door lock user can set temporary password in the mobile Apple's smart door lock control panel and use SMS messages to send them to visitors. This service is available in more than 200 countries and regions, and it is very useful for our customers. Next is cloud recipe. The cloud recipe provides recipes for users and add more competitive advantage to your products. This is mostly for the customers who sell rice cookers, blenders, sauce machines, frying machines, and air fryers. And it is you can through these functions to get the user behavior. You can analyze your user behaviors and help you better understanding your consumer and improve your products. And next is I will introduce you about the IP cameras services. The first is cloud storage for videos. So customers who develop IPC device or who will sell IPC devices and want to increase their revenues. After you enable these services on the Tuya Smart platform, Tuya will enable cloud storage for videos or smart cameras under your account. Users can push the services as needed to store IPC videos on the cloud for playback at any time without needing to worry about device damage or push micro SD cards. And Tuya will periodically settle the review sharing of the service with you. And for more details about the revenue, how to share between Tuya and our customers, you can contact our business manager or your project manager. Okay, next service is IPC video stream pushing. You can view IPC videos on third-party terminals. It is very useful. Many of our customers want these services, and they just have already opened it. Customers who sell IPC device and want stronger cutting-edge IPC functions. The IPC video stream pushing service push audios and video data of IPC devices to terminal screens, enabling your devices to be at the forefront of the trend. For example, user can view IPC video on Echo Show with a screen. Currently, we support the third-party terminals is like below the Echo Show, Echo Sport, Fire TV, Google Home Hub, Chromecast. After you enable these services, user can see like show my baby room to Echo Show to display the videos in the baby room on the Echo Show screen. I can show you how it works. Yes, here.
How do you make your smart cameras more powerful and competitive? The IPC video stream pushing service pushes IPC collected audio and video data directly to a third-party smart screen speaker. Offers real-time two-way talk. Makes your IPC smarter, more convenient, and easier to use. Helps you get closer to tens of millions of smart screen speaker users across the globe. It is compatible with Echo Show, Google Home Hub, and other third-party platforms. Go to Tuya's BAS platform to enable the service.
Yes, so let's continue. Next, I will introduce you some about the designs. Tuya also support the service like industry design services. The industry design services for smart products provide free supply chain and interworking product appearance. If you have already have a product and you wanted to upgrade the designs, we can help. If you have wanted to build a new product, we can also help you to design. And next is app control panel customization. It is very useful. During my working days on Tuya, many customers need these functions. Customers who want to build unique, high-quality apps. Tuya customers control function for your installation hardware, customized design, and development of app control panel functions, layout, colors, models, icons, and all can improve user experience. I can show you what it means. Let's go to our smart platform again. So when you want to first go to our IoT point, tuya.com again, and then choose the product, and you will have free to create product. And when you go to the app panel design here, you will see like here is socket. You can see the design you are here. If you don't feel happy with the user design here, you can here click change. Okay, so you can see a lot of designs here. And if you are not happy with those shown designs, you can then have these functions. You can then contact our business manager or project manager, or you just here, talk here, click here to talk as online manager. Then you will have the your UI customization. So I have finished all the introduce about our my services. So next, I will introduce you how you can add a process on our website. First, log in tuya.com plus VAS and choose the service you needed, like OEM app launch, OEM app upgrade, and then subscribe. And then if you choose a service with fixed price, like OEM app, so you can just like to pay through PayPal. If you choose like the UI design, it will have not a fixed price. Then you can just contact your business manager, leave more future informations. And after your order, the first step is starting user purchase services. If you for OEM app and other services which do not need more information, you can start to use it. If for the services it needs more information, you have to fill more and contact us, and we will have a meeting with you or discuss with you fill the information. Okay, that's all. That's my thanks.
Okay, thank you, Clive. Anyone who had the questions, you can ask our lecturer now.